How to add a going to work or heading home routine on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on modes and routines. Next, we go down and tap on the routines tab. Then go to the top and tap on the discover button. Then in here we go down and tap on all routines. Next, you can choose going to work routine or add a heading home routine. So here I'm going to tap on going to work. Then in here we tap on time period and set your time. So let's say we go to work at 7 and our traveling time is around an hour. So we go and select that and we finish at say 8. So our traveling time is around an hour. So you just set your traveling time or the start and the end time. So tap on done. And here if you want to accept the default, so here the default is set brightness to 60%, and then it will change the lock screen shortcut. So on the left shortcut it will set to smart things, the right shortcut will be gallery. And then if you're happy, tap on the save button at the bottom, and that's it. So we have now added a going to work routine. Now tap on the discover button again and then choose all routines. Next we can choose heading home routine, so tap on that, and again you need to set a time period. So if you knock off work at around 4 or 4:30, we choose 4:30, and then so traveling time again maybe around hour, so we finish at 5:30, and then tap on done. And you can choose to repeat every week or every day. So here we can choose every day or every week. Choose the day, Monday to Friday, then tap on done. And here if you want to make any changes or if you like to accept the default, you can do so. If you want to make the changes, you can tap on the edit button, and here you can choose actions. So you can tap on add actions and then select an action, and then just tap on saved, and then tap on the back key to go back to your routines. And here we've got heading home and going to work routine, and that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.